What have drones to do on a diving channel and in a dive environment? Well, quite a lot, I guess, because you're already traveling on liveaboards and you're out in the nature and you're not filming underwater or taking photos everywhere. You also use a drone for that, right? Moving freely in 3D space, that's just a great tool. That's why this video basically has two things for you. First, you can ask specific questions all around the topic of drone flying, or do we say drone diving? And
you can win fantastic prizes.
Give us a few seconds to explain how it works. In collaboration with the Boat Show, the world's largest water sports event, from January 18 to 26 in Düsseldorf, Germany, we run a dedicated live stage about underwater filmmaking and photography. Every day, we host inspiring guests to share their knowledge and to answer your questions. During the 9 days of the show, we will cover 7 different and unique underwater topics in regard of photography and filmmaking. Beginner, wide angle, macro, free diving, compact cameras, cold water, and drones. And because this video is about drones, you can ask all your questions you might have regarding drones in the air or drones in the water in the comments below, and you will automatically have a chance to win amazing prizes that Vanessa will show you in a second.
I can't right now. I have to fly the drone. I'll get to your prizes in just a second. Oh no. Oh no. No, oh no.
So when we select your question, we're gonna actually answer this question live on stage. So you can either come to the boat show in person, which would be great, because then we can meet and chat. But if you can't do so, because it's too far away, you don't have time, you can still follow everything we do there live on social media. Make sure to post your questions in the comments, and also make sure that you enable all the notifications and subscribe, and also follow us on social media. Amongst all the comments, we randomly choose the winner for the following prizes.
And the first prize is... Let me check. What? No. Is that really true?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Why can't I win? Well, I'm happy to announce that the first prize is an eye bubble underwater drone. What? That is... wow. Do you know how much that thing costs? So that's amazing that iBubble is giving away one of their underwater drones. And this is under no circumstances an ordinary underwater drone. I mean, okay, underwater drones are never ordinary because they're super cool. But this one is very special. The iBubble underwater drone is totally wireless. That's cool. And it's fully autonomous. So it's essentially like the little yellow submarine from next door. Friendly, smart, and full of high tech. And the coolest part is, it will follow you around underwater like a puppy and capture your memories. And remember, as we said, capture memories in life and not objects. Well, then again, we said sometimes you need objects to capture the great memories. And iBubble does just that. So Flo, to answer your question, that's what it's all about. So you can enjoy your dive and be part of it on camera, both at the same time. As a filmmaker, you're usually behind the camera, so the iBubble gives you the unique chance to star in your own films or even create great behind-the-scenes footage. So to put the iBubble in perspective, here are some of the facts about the iBubble. The automated filming scenarios allow the iBubble to capture breathtaking images from unique filming angles, so you can let the iBubble take care of all the filming. And the great thing is you can simply switch between the different filming modes with the remote control during your dive. It has 7 powerful propellers for perfect mobility and stability. And like every good drone these days, it has obstacle avoidance and it can track subjects. And the iBubble lets you fully enjoy your underwater adventures for 1.5 hours. And it has interchangeable batteries, which I'm a fan of. And also it has 2 integrated wide-angle lights with 1000 lumen each. And the depth rating is maximum 60 meters. This is a fantastic prize, and we're really thankful to iBubble for giving away this prize to you guys. So best of luck to you. Don't forget to ask your questions about above water and underwater drones in the comment section to actually participate in the contest to win the iBubble. And the second prize is an OMS dive gear voucher worth 1,500 euros. That's roughly around $1,700. OMS is a dive equipment manufacturer for superior diving products. And with OMS gear, you're going to be able to adapt to different diving locations and various styles of diving. So for example, from fun, easy and safe diving to deep, exciting exploration diving. What OMS has done is they have created a modular platform so you can fine-tune your dive gear to the diving requirements. And we have teamed up with OMS for quite a while now, and we have been diving with their gear on just about every trip. So we're super happy that they're giving away this prize so you can also enjoy their products. With the voucher, you can choose any of their products. Go and check out their website, omsdive.eu. The link is in the description. If you have the chance to come to the boat show, go and check out the OMS booth, get your hands on the superior products, and experience the amazing customer support. And they have all sorts of products like wings, regulators, tanks, dry suits, tons of accessories, and lots of other gear. So if you pass by their booth, then say hello from us. So good luck to you, and don't forget to ask your questions about underwater and above water drones in the comment section below, because that's the only way to take part in the competition to win the iBubble or the OMS voucher. And of course, we're gonna answer all of your questions at the boat show, so come and join us there, or join us in the live stream on social media. A massive thank you to iBubble for giving away this fantastic prize, and to our friends at OMS for the dive gear voucher. Good luck, safe diving, and we will hopefully see you in the next video.
Vanessa told me to be more enthusiastic. Oh, okay. You're a diver, right? And you just love to travel? It's amazing. Use a drone. It's amazing. You can use drones in the water, in the air, it doesn't matter. It's just like always a new perspective and moving freely in 3D space. Ah, amazing. Great.
So pass by and tell them we said hi. That's so stupid.
Oh, jetzt habe ich mir gerade hier so richtig übel meine Stahlplatte an den Stuhl gehauen und jetzt vibriert mein ganzer Fuß. Wie so eine Stimmgabel. Okay.
Is it still red? Why does your nose get red when you cough?